Draw and learn! Hello, kids! Oh, look at these shapes! Today, we want to learn them with each other. Don't forget to subscribe at me. At first, I'm drawing a polygon. Repeat after me. Polygon. You're so great! Please draw with me, kids. If you'd like to see the other videos, please subscribe me. It's a polygon. Polygon. Now I want to draw a diamond. Repeat after me. Diamond. Keep going, kids. Now I want to draw a triangle. Repeat after me. Triangle. You're so great. Excellent. Square. I'm drawing a square now. That's so nice. Square. Now I want to draw a pentagon. It's a pentagon. Repeat after me. Pentagon. Awesome. Now I want to draw a circle. Repeat after me. Circle. You're so great, kids. Okay. Do you like to color these shapes with each other? Let's go. At first, I'm using red color for polygon. Repeat after me. Red color. Please coloring with me. You're so clever, kids. Awesome! Now I want to color the diamond. Which color do you like for that? What about green color? Do you like it? It's so beautiful. If you like our video, please subscribe us. That's so nice. Let's color the triangle. Which color do you like for this one? What about blue color? Do you like it? I like blue color so much. It's a blue triangle. That's great. Now I want to color this square. I like to coloring it with orange color. What about you? Which color do you like to use for square? It's an orange square. That's so nice. Let's color in the pentagon. It's a pentagon. Now I want to coloring that with yellow color. Repeat after me. Yellow color. Do you like it? It's a yellow pentagon. Okay. So let's color in the circle. I like to coloring that with brown color. Do you like brown color? Which color do you like to use now? I'm sure you can coloring very well, kids. Let's do it with me. It's a brown circle. Oh, look at here, kids. We finished coloring all these shapes with each other. You're so great. See you in the next video. Draw and learn. Oh, look at these shapes. Hello, kids. Today we want to learn some shapes with each other. Let's go. Pentagon. Pentagon. Triangle. Triangle. Heart. Heart. A square. A square. Circle. Circle. A star. A star. Okay, so let's coloring them with each other. At first, I want to coloring the pentagon. I'm coloring that with orange color. Don't forget to subscribe us. Triangle. We want to color the triangle. I'm using pink color for coloring that. That's so great. Triangle. Heart. Now I want to color the heart with red color. It's a red heart. Now I want to color the square. Repeat after me, a square. I'm coloring that with purple color. That's right. It's a purple square. Now I want to color the circle. Let's color the circle with blue color. Repeat after me, blue color. So nice. Keep going, kids. It's a blue circle. Now I'm coloring the star. I'm coloring the star with yellow color. That's so great. Yellow star. Thank you for watching me, kids.